Catering to a wide range of tow vehicles, this ultralight trailer is sure to fit the bill. Introducing the 2019 Jayco J-Feather. J-Feather's exterior is functional and safe. Jayco's new patent-pending J-Smart LED lighting alerts other travelers of your driving intentions, while the new front profile accommodates larger baggage doors and pass-through storage to fit all the camping essentials. The J-Feather's interior features 3 all-new decors for 2019. The newly redesigned Murphy bed maximizes interior space, while the beautiful residential-style seamless countertops make you feel right at home. The American-made Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, enclosed underbelly, and A-frame and roof-mounted solar prep show that this lightweight trailer remains heavy on standard features. The 2019 Jayco J-Feather, built for the long haul.